She doesn't want strokes. Yeah, kitty butterbean. Kitty butterbean. Thank you, Graham. Thank you so much. I just realised I haven't shared the live. Wow, Ham's not here in here. What a bast. Honestly, sometimes I wonder why I go bloody live. Maybe I should go live like once a week or something. And then everyone make the bloody effort. Hey, Wolfie. Hi, Simone. What was that I just saw? What was what?
You make it look like it's magic. I see nobody, no.
Oh my god, I thought you were saying you're going early Saturday to May.
I'm never gonna
Sam! Oh, Chris! You're awesome! Thank you! A person's profile picture was deleted. Huh? In my life? Thank you, Chris. Right, let me just do a pin for Chris, please. Yeah, you typed it in here. Oh yeah, that happens all the time. Hi DJ. Right, to Sam. To good health. Fantastic wealth. Yeah, so to Sam. To good health. Fantastic wealth. I'm going to change it up a bit. May Holly take your job. May she goes, goodbye, Sam. You're rubbish at the job anyway. And I'm better. And May she has great time at work. I hope it works out for her. I hope she feels settled and feels at home and everyone's kind to her and she makes friends, and hope all is well with her. And to Sam, may you build Lego with Lego bricks, Legos, and oh my god, I'm losing my voice. And yes, Simo, I'm just thanking the person that gifted before you. Thank you very much, Simo. Thank you, Chris. And may you watch Stranger Things all over again. Cheers. Thank you, Simo. Chris, thank you. Thank you for the kiss as well. Kissies. Like, I can't reply to everybody at the same time, everyone. Lovely, Holly, cheers. You're welcome. Does Sam thank?